Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to edit your bio on Tinder. To do this, it's very easy. You have just to go to Tinder, open the app, and after that, click on Profile on the bottom right of the screen. And after that, go and click on Edit Profile on the top of the screen. And after that, scroll down a little bit until you find About Me. And here, if you already have a bio, you will find your bio here. So you can delete, edit, or do whatever you want, like for your new bio. For example, I write test. And click confirm, and like that, I edited the bio of this profile. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like this video and see you in the next one.